Magandang buhay class, I'm Crisaline Milo, your teacher in science. So, our lesson for today is motion. So, what is motion? The motion is a continuous change in position with respect to a reference for a particular line interval. Now, I give you so you can understand more of the lesson. Angelo is walking backward. Yolanda is walking downstairs. Charles is running. Elisa and Cyril is jogging. Dave and Charles dance Galaw Pilipinas. Ashley is walking on the road. There you go. I hope you understand our lesson today. See you in next video.